Hey guys, a quick video for our Nature and Environment in Japan playlist. This is known as the Japanese sea nettle. Obviously it's a jellyfish. It's also known as the Hakushon kurage, which means sneeze jellyfish. And the reason is that apparently the ninja would dry out the tentacles because they contain a toxin. They'd dry out the tentacles and then grind it into a fine powder and then use it as a weapon. Because if you blow that powder into somebody's face, it will make it hard for them to see and also make them sneeze as a side effect. So the sneeze jellyfish, something a bit different, isn't it? So while we're on the beach, we thought we'd show you these others as well. There's another one of the same. Tentacles weren't so long, but here's a purpley one. The purpley jellyfish of mystery. Just something for you marine biologists out there. Here's another one that we dubbed the brain jellyfish. Have a look at that. Have a look at it. You'd have to call that the brain jellyfish, wouldn't you? It looks like a brain, doesn't it? Just lying there thinking. It's lying there wondering when the tide's coming in. Another purpley looking one there too. And then on a totally different note, there's a starfish slowly working his way over to that rock. Anyway, there it was. More videos coming soon.